What you'll need for this recipe are 4 hard-boiled eggs. You want a tablespoon or more of mayonnaise, depending on how much you like mayonnaise. Just a tiny bit of Dijon, just to give it a little kick. I also like just a little bit of paprika. And then we're gonna add just a little bit of chives. You're gonna want some salt and pepper to taste. Just give it all a good mix. Butter both sides that our egg sticks together better. And we're gonna put on our egg. It.
Enjoy. If you like what you see, like and subscribe.